Hey, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Monday Maker Monday, y'all. Listen, yesterday, I'm human, okay? Yesterday, my butt fell asleep. I had the alarm set, y'all. I did. I had the alarm set and I still didn't hear the alarm. I was knocked out. So, yeah. So I'm here. I'm ready to get to it. Hopefully, y'all ready. You good and comfortable, and ready to get started. So let's get into it, y'all. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen real quick. I don't know why this thing isn't working. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen, and then we can start making our lists and all that good stuff. Get into it. So, man, how was y'all weekend? How y'all week start out? Did anybody start trading yet? If you on here, how your week started out, especially with trading. And also, hey, please do me a favor. Like the video. Okay, hit the like. Give me a couple of likes as you all come on. Also, let me know where you're tuning in from. That would be dope. So I can see where everybody's tuning in from that's jumping on here live. Y'all, I be having a lot going on, man. so I'm glad that some of y'all are still bearing with me and not holding it against me that I missed the session yesterday. You know, my bad, y'all. Give me a second. I should have had this set up already, but I did not. So that's my fault. Okay. There we go. All right. So anyway, so yeah, definitely looking forward to today. I had a session with the private training group that I have. I had a session with them earlier, so we had like 15 to mark up actually this morning. Pretty much all of them were buys, and then it was one sale, and we were able to mark up. I think it was 5 things. I was supposed to mark up 2 more, but my day has been pretty busy, so I didn't get to mark up the other 2. But a couple of us entered into EUR CHF, and some of you know, listen, the franc is normally not my pair. I don't care for that, nor the New Zealand dollar. Those 2 have been 2 that I just was like, I'm all right on those. I'll stay away from them. But this time I was like, nah, that setup look real nice. So I'm gonna take it. And that's what I did. So I'm about 5. I was last time I looked at it, I was about 5 pips away from hitting take profit 1. So I'm like, let's go. Come on. Y'all, hey, listen. I need y'all to share these videos, and here's why. For the month of March so far, we are 7-0. Okay, marking up these charts, and none of them have hit the stop loss. Come on, man. Share the video, like the video, comment if you've been putting some of these trades in. Because I'm really like, yo, we should be having more people on here, especially with the type of results we get. David saying my week was amazing. Started, I had what was it? I had a banging trade on GBPCHF today. Hey, that was the other one that we had marked up this morning. However, it wasn't ready when we marked it up. It was about 6:30 this morning, but it wasn't ready. So it was Euro CHF. These are the 4 we marked up live, and then I marked up gold and sent it to them. But it was Euro CHF, GBP CHF was marked up, as well as what I sent them AUD CHF and NZD CHF, and then I also sent them gold. So yeah, those were the 5 that was sent to the group, the private trading group and whatnot. Yeah, so a few of us got the Euro CHF. I think one person there's already hit take profit because their take profit was a little less than mine. I think I did 36 pips, I want to say. So I was about 5 pips away from it hit my take profit. All right, let's run it. So when people come, they come. We're gonna get into this. I only see the pound and the franc. That is weak. So I'm gonna make my list real quick with Euro, JPY. That's the other one that I was supposed to mark up. So bam, I'll be marking it up possibly tonight. Euro CHF. I didn't mark that one. Someone else in the private group marked that. So I'll probably, if that's still showing the same way, I'll probably mark that one tonight. GBP, JPY, that's the other one I was supposed to mark up. That was on our list earlier today. I forgot. I just was very busy. Not even gonna front. I had it on my list to do, but hey, when you're busy, you're busy. So GBP CHF is still showing buy from this morning, which is good. 5 is AUD JPY. That's another buy. That was on my list from this morning too. Right? Yep, that was on my list from this morning. So look like a good number of things that was on my list from this morning is still moving in a buy. So NZD JPY, yeah, all of this is the same stuff from this morning. NZD JPY, buy. NZD CHF, buy still. I didn't like that setup with NZD CHF, so I just ignored that one because that one was like, ugh. CAD JPY, yeah. So pretty much everything on this list that I'm writing down right now, is what we had this morning minus about 5 pairs, and then CAD CHF for a buy. All right, so these are the ones that I have. Why is it not showing me? Hold on. Why didn't it play all of it? Oh my gosh. Give me a second, y'all. Now, normally when I do this, I hit play all and it plays all the songs. But for whatever reason, it wanted to just do its own thing today. Okay. So this is the list I have. Euro JPY. Everything is about right now. Euro JPY, Euro CHF, GBP JPY, GBP CHF, AUD JPY, AUD CHF, NZD JPY, NZD CHF, CAD JPY, and CAD CHF. All right, those are all of them that I had. All right. So let's go to Forex Factory and see what we got. So right now, no news. It's all gone. So we're going to check out tomorrow and see what we have. So we got orange for US dollar and red for US dollar. And then the Australian dollar is red, and that's 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, y'all. So all this time, all these times on this left-hand side right here, this is Central Standard Time because I'm in Texas. Okay, just so everybody knows. Want to make sure we're good to go on that. Okay, so I don't know why this time be so behind. I don't get it. It's weird. Anyway, all right, so let's go to the list here, Euro JPY, see if we still showing. No, we are not showing a buy. On here, let's see Euro CHF. Euro CHF is still showing buy, which is good. GBP CHF, because I see GBP JPY over there. So give me a second, y'all. GBP CHF is showing buy. GBP JPY is not showing a buy, so we're gonna disregard that one. AUD JPY is not up there. I gotta fix my thing again because I had all the major pairs on here. AUD JPY still showing buy. Make sure. Yep, I had it on there for this morning for the buy. AUD CHF. Let's see. Are we buying? Are we buying? Still buying. So that means it may have hit my area already. We'll find out. I'm gonna actually go to AUDCHF just to see how it played out. NZDJPY buy, good to go. NZDCHF, let's check it out. Buy, CAD JPY should be buy. I don't know the yen. Yep. So X on that. CAD CHF. All right. So everything showing buy except for Euro JPY, GBP JPY, CAD JPY. Those are not buys. We already saw news for tomorrow, so we good to go. We know what we're doing, staying away from and whatnot. So that means all that red and orange, I won't be trading gold nor NAS 100 tomorrow. So too much for me. I'm not messing with it. All right, so let's go. So just for those who, if you're watching the replay, y'all, I trade off the hour time frame. I do not do lower time frames because I trade candlestick patterns. And so with candlestick patterns, the lower the time frame, the more noise it is, which will not give you an accurate reading of the chart. So therefore, I do not trade lower than an hour time frame. No USD pairs. And this is it, Euro JPY. Okay. So now I just need to add the rest, put these other 6 on here. So yeah, so that's what I do, y'all, just so everybody knows. So you're not sitting here like, Leona, why you changing the boxes and all that stuff? That's why. All right, so let's see. NZD, JPY. NZD, CHL. I got 2 more, and then, oops, it would have if I type it in. All right, so CHF. All right, cool. So now I got all 10. There we go. Okay. So Euro JPY, I put a check mark, but I'm still probably not going to do it because on Forex Factor it was not showing the same. Euro CHF is still buying across the board like this morning. GBP JPY is an X, so yep, most definitely. Scratch that off the list. So no GBP JPY at all. GBP CHF is a go. So now I got that. AUD JPY is a go. AUD CHF is a go. We got NZD JPY, no go. CAD JPY. I'm gonna put a wait. I'm missing one. Oh, okay. NZD CHF go. CAD JPY. I'm gonna put a question mark because I may still look at that depending on time. And then CAD CHF go. All right. So we got Euro CHF is a go. GBP CHF is a go. AUD JPY. AUD CHF. NZD CHF and CAD CHF. So pretty much the franc pairs again. It's showing us we are good to go. Okay, so there it is. What is this? Oh, this ad. I'm sitting here like this don't sound like what I'm used to. All right, so let's get to it. I'm showing y'all gold because it's already here, so y'all can see it. So this is my setup for gold. As you can see, gold has not really moved much. This is from this morning. It's not doing anything. So I got my buy up here, and that's only if price push back up. Or if it doesn't, then it's gonna have to clear these yellow lines, solid lines are my day low and day high. And this is my demand zone from the field. So it would have to break below my demand zone and this day low, retrace, and then form a new bearish candlestick pattern. And depending on the risk to reward ratio, this may be my take profit one. If not, this would be my take profit one. I didn't see much in between the two. So, you know, whatever it is, that's what it'll be. So y'all got that for gold. Y'all can see it for yourself. Gold is not ready at all. So I'm going to go to AUD because I marked it up earlier today, as well as NZD So y'all already have that. So I'm going to show y'all that one. Those two, I mean. So that means I don't have to mark up something new. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Okay. I guess I'll just log back in. I clicked on it, right? There you go. Let's see. Come on. If you haven't done so already, go ahead, like the video while I'm attempting to get back onto TradingView and pull these charts up. Like the video, share the video. Comment if you have been able to take a trade or two today so far. If you haven't and you were waiting on an opportunity, well, guess what? You may just get it. Okay, so bam. All right, so like I shared with y'all earlier today, I had a private session with my private trading group that I created. And so it finally broke this. So when I marked it this morning, this is where it was at. And this candle was actually green. But I looked to the left and I was like, yo, I got it. This is green. But I see price, you know, here. I see price came here. I see price came here. And each time it pushed back down. So I'm like, I don't know if it's going to keep going. Sure enough, it only retraced a little bit, y'all. But still, I was like, I'm not about to just enter the trade because I don't have my confirmation. So now price did form a new bullish candlestick pattern above where it's been, you know, a bit of resistance. So it finally did form a bullish engulfing, and then it confirmed. Only thing with this confirmation is the close was not above that. That's the only thing. But nonetheless, I didn't enter this trade anyway, so it doesn't matter. But there it is. So AUDCHF is actually heading towards the take profit one that I had marked this morning. So depending on whatever your strategy says, yeah, that's like a 13 pip move, 14 pip move to this first take profit. And since I marked it up this morning, you may want to look at take profit two, which is 41 pips from where it's at now for the buy. But yeah, again, that's for those who have a different type of trading strategy. Whatever your strategy tells you to do, if it say you can take this trade right now, then do it. But for those who trade like me, candlestick patterns, yeah, we don't already miss that opportunity to enter. Okay, this bullish engulfing has occurred. It confirmed. So you should have entered at 9 p.m. if you were going to take this trade. So if you didn't enter already, you'll have to wait for a retracement and then a new bullish candlestick pattern to take it to either take profit one if your risk to reward is there, or take profit two. Just know, y'all, and this is for everybody, doesn't matter what type of pattern or what type of strategy you have, more than likely because this is a previous day high and this is a form of resistance, price may, this is not a guarantee, price may slow down here, okay? So it may retrace a bit or a lot. It may consolidate, or it may just blow straight through it and then go straight to the take profit two if the Australian dollar remains strong, okay, and the franc remains remains weak. So that's just something to keep in mind with that. So for me personally, I'm pretty sure when we look at Euro CHF, it may have hit my take profit, but yeah, so you could, check that out and do what you do on that. I'm gonna go to Euro CHF. I'm actually have to mark that up because I went off of what the other person marked as with their take profit and whatnot. I just went up a little bit higher according to my broker, not just TradingView. So let me go mark this up real quick, y'all. Euro CHF. So y'all got gold, y'all got AUD CHF, and now you're about to have Euro CHF. So this is blown through that. So this is no longer valid. I'll take these off too. All right. And previous month is here. Yeah, so it's definitely been a minute. I don't remember the last time I marked this up. All right. Okay, so I got the month high, month low. Now I'm gonna go down to this week. Okay, so it's definitely blown through the previous month. Set up the previous month high, and it's heading back, looks like, to the previous week high. That's what it's looking like right about now. That look like this. Okay, that was good. So it has now passed the previous day high and pushing up some more. Let's see. That is ugly. I mean, I guess it started to buy, but then it just consolidated, so it don't look good. It's not like a good clean setup for me to mark my field, but this is the low. I don't like it though. All right, let's do this real quick. I ain't forgot, y'all. It's just been really hectic. There's been a lot going on. So I promise this week, because I got my best friend coming to help me out since duty calls with the Army. So I should be able to do the video, at least one of them, either the fib or the imbalance. I should be able to get one of them at least this week, if not both. Prayerfully, I get both of them knocked out this week. All right, so I got a buy here. Make sure I lock this because I don't want to be mixing up my lines. All right. So looking at this on a 4-hour right now, like I said, prices has broke the previous day. So if your strategy says, hey, you can enter the trade right now, then I would say consider it. I'm gonna look at where the number of pips are from where price is right now, because this would be your take profit one. So you're looking at a 33 pip move. This would be take profit one here. I already know for a buy because this is the previous week high. I would have to actually look for something for this. And then y'all, if the euro loses its strength and forms a bearish candlestick pattern at some, okay, that's not it. What is this? Jeez. Like, I'm over here listening to 3 stacks and this got some old. Anyway, So if price were to turn around, then clearly you could use the previous day low here for your take profit one. Now, if price comes up here and hits this previous week high and then retraces and then everything shows sell, currency strength says sell, investing.com says sell, Forex Factory says sell, and you're seeing that on the 4 hour, your higher time frame, your 4 hour, possibly your day. You're seeing that a price is really selling. It's been selling for a while, so on and so forth. Then you could potentially, depending on when you mark up your chart, you could potentially use this as a take profit one. But like I said, I'm gonna use this, leave this here because this is a previous day low. Okay, as of right now. So take profit one. The top of this 5618 zone, so our golden zone, this would be a potential take profit two for a sale. And then the bottom of it would be the take profit three. Okay. And if it goes any further than that, then all I do, y'all, is I just use areas that's already on here, unless I have nothing and then it's like a large gap. Then that's when I go and I'll establish a take profit point. But I'm not reinventing the wheel, you know. So like this is a pretty decent gap here between the bottom of this 5618 zone and my previous week low. Or is it high? Yeah, previous week low. So if I were to see something, then I could probably find a take profit point between these two. Okay. But I'm not doing that much for sale because the euro has been buying for a while. I might have to go to a higher time frame. Let me go to the 4 hour and see if this is like an all-time high or something, or did it go higher than this before? Okay, so it did go higher than this before. There we go. All right, bet. So I can create another take profit point for the buy just in case it does clear the previous week high at some point. So that's 1, 2. So we got this one kind of broke through it, but you got 1, 2, and then 3. So could be 4. And then more over here, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, so I can use this as my take profit 2. So if it does clear the previous week high here, then we have a potential take profit 2. So I just had to go to a higher time frame to see. All right. So now let's clone and then establish this as a take profit 2. So now we got 3 take profit points for the sell, 2 take profit points for the buy. All right. Those of us that do candlestick patterns, clearly we missed that move. So we will need to see. I'm going to just demonstrate here. We will need to see price pullback. So retrace a bit. Form a new candlestick pattern, bullish one. And then confirm above here. And then we'll take it for the buy. Okay. So I'll keep an eye out for Euro CHF as well. Because there is an opportunity to continue to make money off of this trade. And I'm pretty sure at this, I think I'm 2 pips away now. Because mine is like 556, I think, or something like that. 97556, I believe. Something like that. I know it's 55 something. So I'm 2 pips away. And then it'll hit my take profit point, which is here. So 5.6. Okay, my bad. 5.6. According to TradingView, it's 5.66. But on my broker, I believe it's 5.5 or something like that. But anyway, so yeah, this is my take profit point on my trade that I did from this morning. This is my take profit point here. So according to this, I'm 2 pips away. But we'll see. All right, cool. So now Euro CHF. So you have AUD CHF, you have Euro CHF, you have gold, and then I'm gonna do one more. What was the other one that was good to go? Well, Devin did GBP CHF already, so I want to do something else. I'm gonna do AUD JPY because that one is good. Oh, let me show y'all NZD CHF because I marked that up earlier today. Let's look at that NZD CHF, and then I'll mark up AUD JPY, and then that's it. And if it's something you wanna see, let me know. Okay. If it's something you want to see, let me know. NZD CHF ain't looking like nothing. It is not. Oh my gosh. It's going, but it's just, yeah. So I have this. I have it marked for sale and buy with the field because it just looked like super close, right? So this sell golden zone overlaps the buy golden zone. And so my historically what has happened is price typically will slow down when it's an overlap like this, and then make a decision. So whether it slows down, consolidates, and then break to the upside or downside, or slow down and then just decide where it's gonna go. Like it may be a one or two candles or something like that, but whatever. Typically, it'll slow down a bit and then decide which direction it's gonna go. So we'll see with NZD CHF. So what I'm looking to do is wait for price to push through this because for me, I just historically I don't trust all of this. Okay. Unless it forms like a new pattern or something. But yeah, I just it's too much going on for me. So I would wait until price breaks above both these zones. And then what I want to see is price pull up, retrace, form a new candlestick pattern here, bullish candlestick pattern, and then take it for the buy. Okay. So depending on risk to reward ratio, this could be a potential take profit one. The top of this supply zone here, which is these red dotted lines, be your take profit two. And then my month high here will be take profit three. If this is not a good risk to reward, then this will be take profit one. And then this is take profit two. And then same thing, if this isn't, then this would be take profit one. Okay, and then we can find another take profit point. But yeah, so I always do that, just move. Keep in mind, anytime you have previous like day highs, supply zone, month high, things like that, price may slow down, price may push back down and go into a full out sell and reverse. There are so many different things that can happen when you're hitting previous areas of resistance. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're establishing your take profit points as well. So NZD this is a setup. I have a buy and I have the sell mark as well. You can check that out. Let me make this a bit smaller. So yeah, so I will be looking for this is take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. So let me highlight that so I know which ones we went over, and I showed you my charts and explained. Okay, so last one, AUD JPY. Last one. Then if it's something y'all want to see, let me know. If not, we're going to close it out. All right, so let me go mark this. Mark this. Wow. Okay, that went up super high. Okay, cool. So let me do this. Let's go. So I got my month high and low done. So now I'll do this week. 。 . 。  . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . All right. There we go. So we got the week high and low done. Now day. So it looks like my day and my previous month high are about the same. I may do another one. Let me just make this a bit bigger. Nope. So this one has a bit of a, okay, this one got like a upper shadow. There we go. All right, cool. So now I got my day, my week, and my month all marked. So I'm going to, let me see. All right, so this is where my buy started here. Looked like it was almost like ranging, looked like. Yep. And then it broke out of that range, pushed down, and then just came back up and took off. All right, so I'm doing my fib here to here. And let's see what happens. All right, so, and it's the last one unless y'all have something. Last one. Oh, boy. Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to lay down. I am ready to lay down. You hear me? Man, today been busy. Super busy. All right, so it looks like we have price did touch the 5618 on the AUD JPY. Like it pierced it, but the previous day low is inside of it too. So that's another thing. So not only did it hit inside the 5618, but it also touched the previous day low, formed a new bullish candlestick pattern. It didn't really confirm for me. Like this is the high, it's way down here, so I like that. So I would definitely be watching this here. I would definitely be watching this because it's about to break. It's breaking the previous day high and the previous month high. Oh, there you go. Okay. It's breaking the previous day and month high, and we have all this room to the week. And that's on a 4 hours. So that means when I go to the hour, I'm probably going to find a take profit point in between the two. So, all right. So my people who trade like me, this is what we're talking about real quick. What we're looking for at this point is for price, where my arrow, for price to continue to move up to the upside, okay? And then pull back. We needed to come back somewhere, okay? Don't have to come all the way back to the previous day high, but if it does, awesome, cool. Form a new bullish candlestick pattern, y'all, and then take off, okay? That's what those of us that trade candlestick patterns we want to see. I'm about to find another take profit point in between this day and month high and week, because this is a really big gap. And so at some point, price may hit an area and chill, okay? Like slow down a bit, retrace maybe, but let's see. So I got 1, 2. Let's see. I might have to go to the 4 hour with this one too. Like I did with Euro CHF. Yeah, look like I'm gonna have to do that. Cause that's only 2 touches and I need something that has like more than 2. I would feel better if I saw something that had more than 2. Guys, it looks like that's it. Yeah, this August, July, June. Okay. Let's see what the days show. But that might be it. Okay, yeah. Looks like that's it, you guys. Yeah, that's 22. Okay, so look like that's where we're at. Oops, I'm supposed to be going back to the hour. So it looks like that's where we're at with this one. This would be our potential take profit one. After we see price push up, pull back down, and then go. And this is for my people who trade using candlestick patterns. Okay, if you don't trade using candlestick patterns, follow whatever your trading strategy tells you. But this would be take profit one. I really want to find another one in between, but it's like it could go either way because all of these are one. This is one. This is one. This is one. Like it's not something that has multiple touches besides this. So I'll just go with the higher one. That'll be a take profit 2, take profit 3. So there we go. We don't really have much to go off of because it appears this may be an all-time high here. Unless I would have to go back some more or whatever. But yeah, so all right, cool. So take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So let's put that in there. So I would actually watch this one, y'all. AUDJPY. Just remember news for tomorrow night, Central Standard Time. There is a red folder, and I think it was 9 p.m. or so. So if this has not played out before the market closes tomorrow, if I were you, if you're in profit, this is just me. I ain't paying for a swap fee if I don't have to. So if I can avoid a swap fee and I can take my profit, I'm in nice profit. I'm taking the profit and I keep pushing. Okay. So here's the setup for this for a buy. So we have 99.60, 99.87 for take profit 2, and then 100.16 for take profit 3. Y'all do whatever your trading strategy tells you. If this is not a viable take profit point because of your strategy, then so be it. But if it is, then make sure you do your own due diligence, mark up your chart, whatever you normally do, and then go from there. For those of us that trade candlestick patterns, what we're waiting on is price to push up a bit, retrace, form a new bullish candlestick pattern, and then we're taking this thing for the buy. So I'm gonna be watching AUDJPY most definitely to potentially trade, because my Euro CHF, if it hasn't closed out already and hit my take profit 1, then more than likely it should be before 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Then, of course, y'all, take profit 1 for a sale would be here, this previous day low. You can either use the top of this 5618 zone as your take profit 1 or the previous day low. Either one is perfectly fine. So I'm just going to put it here. TP1 for a sale. So either one of these is perfectly fine, y'all. Let me get back on here. Okay. So either the top of the 5618 or this previous day low, either one is fine. Just make sure that you establish which one you want to do. And then I'm going to use the bottom of the 5618 zone for my take profit 2. Remember, y'all, anything that I have that's already on my chart, that's like a zone or something, I'm using that for take profit points. I'm not creating a new thing. Like, it doesn't make sense for me to do that. So we got TP1, TP2, and then if it continues to break through that, then we may be able to find another yes. We'll be able to find a spot in between here and the previous week low and demand demand zone. So let me do that real quick. And then that's it. That is it. That is all. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's it. I'm not counting all this. Once I saw 6, that's enough for me. Okay. So TP3 here. So now y'all have a setup for AUDJPY. And this is only, these sales are marked only if price turns around and everything says sell. Currency strength meter, FOREX factory, investing.com, the chart, everything, 4 hour at a bare minimum is showing sale. Everything should be showing a sale for me to be like, all right, bet I'm running it for a sale. If everything's not showing a sale, I'm not jumping into a sale because I want to be able to get the most bang for my buck on any trade that I take. So y'all got your setup here for AUDJPY. We got 1, 2, 3 for the buy, 1, 2, 3 for the sale. You know what you're looking for. So now that means we got Euro CHF, AUDJPY, AUDCHF, NZDCHF, and I showed y'all gold. So that's 5 things that you can be looking at to trade between tonight and the remainder of this week. That is it. That is all. Look at that. 47 minutes. Done. 5. All right. So with that being said, y'all, I definitely want to say thank you so very much for those of you watching this live or the replay. Don't forget, y'all, I have the next 90-day trading bootcamp that is coming up May 1st. Listen, I'm giving people an opportunity to get stuff at a cheaper price. We're putting together this day trading bundle, so you have access to the 30-day self-paced trading program. It's giving you the basis of trading that I'm showing on here, but it's in more detail, talking about the candlestick patterns, certain things, giving you the PC trading system, so everything is step by step. Listen, teenagers can do this. Adults, of course, can do this, but I want to make sure that everybody is aware of what's available to them. So this price, y'all, at $497 to get access to the self-paced day trading education to prepare you for the boot camp, which that's the other thing you have access to with this day trading bundle. And that boot camp, remember, is 2 live sessions every single week on Sundays and Wednesdays, and it's 2 times on Sundays and Wednesdays, which is 3 p.m. Eastern and then 7 p.m. Eastern on Sundays and Wednesdays. So you have 2 times to be able to get on. The sessions are recorded and whatnot. Y'all, if you do this, you do the day trading one-on-one first, and then you do the boot camp. Trust me, you'll be better equipped, and you won't be behind. Okay, things will make sense. But that means that you would need to purchase the bundle. You can click the link in the description of this video, or you can just look at it and type it in, whichever one is easiest for you. But y'all, this $497 is gonna end on say that you can get it for $497. April 1st is gonna be $697, and that's only for 24 hours. After that, it's no more trading bundle. Okay, you pay full price for the 90-day trading boot camp. So y'all, if you can save money, save money. All right, if you can save money, save money. And hopefully everything works out for you and you're able to, participate. And for those who need it, okay, for those who need it, there is a payment plan available to you as well. So you can just send an email. The email is in the description of this video. Send an email and request a payment plan. You can do that as well, okay? So you can be going through the day trading one-on-one while making your payment, all right? Looks like my internet is messing up for whatever reason, so that's my cue to get done. So I'm going to wrap it up with saying thank you all so very much. Check out the replay. Oh my gosh, this thing is messing up. But check out the replay of this, because I always come back once the trades have played out. I put the results in the comments. So it's not like I'm making stuff up, y'all. I put the results in the comments. Okay? And you can always watch the playback and see where I had everything marked up. If I could put the charts in the chat, on YouTube, in the chat, I would, but I don't know that to be an option. So there you go. So that's it. Y'all have a wonderful evening. I will be back on next Sunday. So same time, 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central. So that's going to be the 31st of March, y'all. I'll be back on here. We'll be doing another live market analysis, and just stay posted for the results of this. If you enter a trade, let people know, okay? If you win a trade, let people know. If you take a lesson, let people know, okay? But right now, we 7-0. So let's see how the rest of this week go, y'all. So that's it. Thank you all so very much for joining. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment, and then I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.